Hello everyone, in this video we will solve Diploma Engineering Mathematics Model Question Paper 1. So here duration 3 hours, maximum marks is 100. So in this model question paper there will be three sections, section A, section B and section C. Section A all question carries 4 marks, section B all question carries 5 marks and question C all question carries 6 marks. So here you need to remember in the section A total 10 questions will be there. In that you need to solve any 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. In section B total 18 questions will be there. In that you need to solve any 10 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. And in section C total 10 questions. In that you need to solve 5 questions. Each carries how many marks here? 6 marks. So next. So now we will start with the section A. In that section A, question number 1 is if A is equals to one matrix is given 4, 5, 1, 2 and B is equals to another matrix 0, 6, 1, 3, find the matrix A plus 2B. So here the solution is, see, first you need to see what we need to find here. So we need to find A plus 2B. So note down here A plus 2B. So next below mention A matrix value. So what is that A matrix value here? 4, 5, 1, 2. Next plus a sign. Next mention that 2 as it is. Next here we need to mention which matrix value here? B matrix value, that is 0, 6, 1, 3. Okay, so next, so which is equals to, now here directly we cannot add these two matrices because the B matrix is having which number here? 2. So first we need to multiply this 2 with all these 4 elements. So for next keep this matrix as it is, that is 4, 5, 1, 2. Next plus sign, now multiply. So 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So now after doing the multiplication, next we need to add these two matrices. So the rule is whenever you are adding any two matrices, always we need to add corresponding elements, means first element with first element, second element with second element, third element with third element, fourth element with fourth element. So first 4, so plus into plus is plus 0, second with the second 5, plus into plus is what? Plus 12. Next third element 1, plus into plus is what? Plus 2, and next one here 2, plus into plus is what here? Plus 6. So next finally add the numbers. So first 4 plus 0, that is 4, 5 plus 12, that is 17, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 6, 8. So this is the value of what here? A plus 2B. Next question number 2. If A is equals to 3220, then find A plus A transpose. So if you want to solve this example, first you need to understand what is the meaning of transpose of matrix. See, transpose of matrix means whichever the matrix you consider. For example, here I am going to consider one matrix, that is 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 4. So this is one matrix of order 2 rows and how many columns here? 3 columns. So here if I want to write transpose of this matrix A, that is denoted by A transpose, otherwise sometimes it is going to denoted by what here? A dash. So which is equals to Here what we need to do is we need to interchange either rows in terms of what here columns, or columns in terms of what here rows. So here what I am going to do, this first row I am going to write it as a first column, 2 3 1, here 2 3 1 as a first column, second row as a second column, 0 minus 1 4, 0 minus 1 4. So next here whichever the matrix we will get, this is what we call it as what here transpose of matrix. So now in this example we need to find which value, A plus A transpose. So in the solution first write here A plus A transpose. First here A matrix is there, already you know A matrix value 3 2 2 0 mention here, 3 2 2 0. Next plus, then take the transpose of A. Just now I told you how to take the transpose of A. So here first row is 3 2, we need to write it as a first column, that is 3 2, and the second row is 2 0, write it as a second column 2 0. So this is what we call it as what transpose of matrix. Next after this add these two matrices. Similarly corresponding elements we need to add. So that is first element with the first element 3 plus 3, second element with the second element 2 plus 2, third element with third element 2 plus 2, fourth element with the fourth element 0 plus 0. Therefore which is equals to, now add the numbers, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 0 0. So this is the value of what, A plus A transpose. Next question number 3. If the matrix A is equals to x 1 3 4 is singular, then find x. So here we need to find out which value, x value, but condition is given is this is which type of matrix here, singular matrix. First here we need to understand what is the meaning of singular matrix. See, any square matrix determinant value goes to 0, then such type of matrix is called what here, square matrix. For example, suppose if I take A is equals to one matrix, that is 3 2 6 4. Okay, so we need to find out determinant of this A matrix, that is determinant of what here, A. So this is the determinant symbol, then mention here A, that is 3 2 6 4. Then apply determinant rule, cross multiplication, middle always minus sign, 3 into 4 that is 12, middle minus sign, 6 into 2 is how much here, 12. Next 12 minus 12 goes to what here, 0. See finally what you are getting here, determinant of this matrix value we are getting what here, 0. Therefore this is what we call it as what, singular matrix. So now what they are telling is this is which type of matrix here, singular matrix. Then using this condition we need to find out this unknown value. Therefore in the solution first we need to write the condition. If A is singular matrix, then what is the condition here, determinant of that A matrix value goes to what here, 0. So next determinant symbol as it is we need to keep. Next mention A matrix value. What is that A matrix value, x 1 3 4 is equals to what here, 0. Next apply second order rule. What is that second order rule, cross multiplication, middle always minus sign. So multiply this, x into 4 is 4x, middle always minus sign. Next these two number, that is 3 into 1 is how much here, 3 is equals to how much here, 0. Next here we need to find out x value. So this 4x I am going to keep it in left hand side. At the same time I am going to shift this minus 3 to right hand side. So that time in RHS side, that is right hand side, already 0 is there, keep that 0 as it is. Shift this minus 3 to right hand side, that time it becomes plus 3. Next 4x, keep it as it is. 0 plus 3 is how much here? 3. Then finally we need which value here? X value. So you can see here in between 4 and x multiplication sign is there. Because of that reason this 4 comes in the denominator. Therefore final value of x is 3 divided by 4. Next, question number 4. Find the slope of the line whose angle of inclination is 45 degree with the positive x-axis. So in this question we need to find out which value here? Slope. So in straight line chapter there is a slope formula. Okay, here it is. So what is that slope formula? Slope m is equals to what here? Tan theta. When we need to use this formula? Whenever in the question angle theta is given. So you can see here angle theta is given how much degree here? 45 degree. So in the solution first we write here theta is equals to how much degree? 45 degree. And which value we need to find here? Slope m is equals to what here? Question mark. So whenever we need slope value, if theta is given, what is the slope formula? Slope m is equals to tan theta. Slope m is equals to what here? Tan theta. So which is equals to tan, you keep it as it is, substitute angle. How much is the angle here? 45 degree. Next, to get this tan 45 degree value, either you need to use trigonometric standard angle table. In that you can see tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. Otherwise you can use the scientific calculator. So which is equals to tan 45 degree directly goes to how much here? 1. Therefore slope value final answer is how much here? 1. Next question. Question number 5. Find the slope of straight line passing through the points 2, 3 and 3, 1. So here also we need to find which value here? Slope value. Therefore again in the straight line chapter there is a formula. What is that formula? If 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, then slope formula becomes y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So to solve this example we are going to apply that formula. So in the solution first what we need to do is first point, that is 2, 3 we consider as x1, y1, and second point, that is 3, 1 we will consider as x2, y2. Then write slope formula. Whenever 2 points are given, slope m formula goes to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus of what here? x1. Next substitute the value here. First y2 is there, y2 is how much here? 1 minus, next here y1 is how much here? 3 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is how much here? 2. Therefore which is equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 is how much here? 1. Therefore minus 2 divided by 1 is how much here? Minus 2. So this is the value of what here? Slope. Next question number 6. Convert 120 degree into radian and 3 pi by 2 radian into what here? Degree. So if you want to find 120 degree to radian and 3 pi by 2 radian into degree, so here in trigonometry there is a conversion. What is that conversion? Conversion of degree into radian is 1 degree is equals to pi divided by 180 radian, and conversion of radian into degree is 1 radian is equals to 180 divided by pi degree. So these two formulas here we are going to use. Therefore here first solution is right here 120 degree. 120 degree. So now what we need to do here, to convert this degree to radian, for this degree, that is for this 120 we need to multiply with pi divided by what here? 180. then only this entire value will convert into what here, radian. So here easily you can cancel 0 and 0, and here 3 4 so 12, next 3 6 the 18, next 2 2 are 4 and 2 3. Therefore what is the final answer here? 2 pi divided by 3, 2 pi divided by 3 radian. Otherwise you can solve like this also, or so here 120 degree, so 120 you need to multiply with what? Pi divided by 180. So this one will convert into radian. Next, use the calculator. In calculator, if you divide 120 divided by 180, you will get 0.66. Then this pi, keep it as it is. So final answer is what? 0.66 pi radian. Next, 3 pi divided by 2 radian we need to convert into what here? Degree. So for that, for this 3 pi divided by 2 we need to multiply with 180 divided by what here? Pi. Then it will convert into what here? Degree. So that time pi and pi get cancelled. Next, use the calculator. If you multiply 3 into 180 divided by 2, you will get the answer 270 degree. So these two are the final answer. Next question, question number 7. If y is equals to x cube plus 3 cos x plus 4 e power x plus 2, then find dy divided by what here? Dx. Means we need to find out the ratio of this function. So here, if you want to solve such type of example, we need to remember differentiation formula. What is that? First formula, differentiation of x power n. So x power n is n into x power n minus 1, and the second one, differentiation of cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and third, differentiation of e power x is e power x, and the last one, differentiation of any number directly goes to how much here? 0. So first write this. Y is equals to x cube plus 3 cos x plus 4 into e power x plus 2. So here we are going to apply plus rule in differentiation. Why we need to apply plus rule in differentiation? Because here total 4 terms are there. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. In between 4 terms, here which sign is there? Plus sign. So we are going to apply which rule here? Plus rule in differentiation. What this rule tells? Every term we need to do the differentiation. Here 4 functions are there. All the functions we need to do what here? Differentiation. So right here, differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, so that time y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by what here? Dx. Dy divided by dx, so which is equals to first differentiation of x to the power 3 plus, so next you can see here this is the function and this is the number. So in a differentiation there is a rule. What is that rule? If a function beside number comes, first what we need to do is this number we need to take it outside. Only function we need to do what here? Differentiation. That is differentiation of cos x. Next, plus again here also there is a function e power x, beside number is there, take that number outside, only e power x we need to do what here? Differentiation. Next, plus here pure number is there, that number itself we need to do what here? Differentiation. So next, which is equals to, see now x power 3 differentiation, if you want to do for that, we are going to apply x power n formula. Here n means what is the number here? 3. Therefore x power n differentiation is n into x raised to n minus 1. So this answer goes to 3 into x power what here? 3 minus 1 plus the sign. Next this 3 keep it as it is. Next cos x differentiation is what? Minus sin x plus keep this 4 as it is. E power x differentiation is e power x plus number differentiation directly goes to what here? 0. So next do the simplification. Therefore final answer is 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 is how much here? 2. Next plus into minus is what? Minus 3 into what here? Sin x plus here 4 into e power x plus 0. So this is the value of what? dy divided by dx. Next question, question number 8. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equals to 2x cube minus 1 at 1 comma 1. So here we need to find out the slope of tangent. So in applications of differentiation there is a formula. What is that formula? Slope of tangent so slope of tangent formula is dy divided by dx at x comma y. Means we need to differentiate this function. After differentiation of that function we need to substitute this particular point, then only we will get what here? Slope of tangent. Therefore in the solution first write this y is equals to 2x cube minus 1. So next again do the differentiation with respect to x. So here you can see two terms are there, 2x cube minus 1. So here minus rule of differentiation we are going to apply. What is that minus rule? Every term again we need to do what here? Differentiation. Therefore y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by what here? Dx is equals to, this is the function and this is the number. Function beside number comes, we need to take that number outside. Only function differentiation we should do. Minus here pure number is there, that number itself we need to do what here? Differentiation. Next this x power 3 looks like a differentiation of what? X power n. Therefore here we are going to apply the formula n into x raised to n minus 1. N means what is the number here? 3. Therefore 2 as it is, apply this formula. Therefore x to the power 3 goes to 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 minus here pure number is there, pure number differentiation goes to what here? 0. Therefore dy divided by dx value is 2 into 3 6x square. So this is the value of dy by dx. After finding dy by dx we need to substitute that particular point. Therefore dy divided by dx at which point it is given here? 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1. Here 1 is the value of x and again 1 is the value of what here? Y. Here which value is present? X is there. So in place of x we need to substitute how much here? 1. Therefore it is 6 into 1 square. So 6 into 1 square is what here? 1. Therefore 6 into 1 is how much here? 6. Therefore slope of tangent final answer is how much here? 6. Next question number 9. Integrate x to the power 3 plus 2 into x square plus 3x plus e power x with respect to x. So here solution is first write integration symbol. Integration of x to the power 3 plus 2 into x to the power 2 plus 3 into x plus e power x. This we need to do the integration with respect to what here? X. So here also we are going to apply plus rule in integration. So what is that plus rule in integration? Every term we need to do the integration. Therefore that is integration of x to the power 3 with respective dx plus, again here function beside number is there, take that number outside, integration of what here, x square. Next plus function beside number, take that number outside, integration of what here, x plus again integration of what here, e power x. So this we need to do the different integration with respect to what here, dx. Again in integration there is a formula. So for first one, for second one and for third one we are going to apply the same formula. So what is that formula? Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by what here, n plus 1. And next for this there is a formula, integration of e power x is what here, e power x. Therefore which is equals to, you can see here n means what is the number here, 3. Therefore in the answer wherever n comes replaced by how much here, 3. Therefore it is x power 3 plus 1 divided by what here, 3 plus 1. Okay, so next plus, next 2, again here 2, again in bracket x square, again apply the same formula, x power 2 plus 1 divided by what here, 2 plus 1. Next complete the bracket plus 3 into, again you know power nothing means 1 will be there, again same formula here. So x power 1 plus 1 divided by what here, 1 plus 1 plus e power x, integration is what, e power x, then commonly we should write plus c. Therefore finally final answer is x power 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. Next 2 into x power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 plus 3 into x power 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 plus e power x plus c. So this is the final answer. Next question, question number 10. Evaluate integration from 1 to 2 x with respect to what here, dx. So this is the example from definite integration. So integration from 1 to 2 x with respect to what here, dx. Here this 1 is called lower limit and this 2 is called upper limit. So in definite integration, how we need to do the integration? Here as usual, for this x we are going to apply the formula, x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by what here, n plus 1. You know here power nothing means which value will be there, 1. So first step as usual, x power 1 integration we need to do. So which is equals to, in the bracket x power 1 integration is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. After doing the integration, this lower limit here we need to mention and this upper limit here we need to mention. So next simplify this. Therefore it is x power 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 from 1 to what here, 2. After doing the integration, next step is wherever x comes, first we need to substitute the upper limit, middle always minus sign, again wherever x comes we need to substitute the lower limit. Therefore it is x means how much here, 2. So this is 2 square divided by 2. This is the upper limit. After substituting the upper limit, middle we need to take the minus sign. Next in place of x substitute the lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 1 square divided by what here, 2. Next simplify. Therefore 2 square is how much here, 4 divided by 2 minus 1 square is what, 1 divided by what here, 2. Next here take the LCM. So LCM is 2. LCM is 2. Therefore to get this 2 here, again multiply by 1, 2 into 1 is 2, and here also multiply by 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Next 4 into 1 is 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, which is equals to final answer is 4 minus 1 is how much here? 3 divided by 2.